Hi, Imran from Car Sound Security in East London here. Just finished installing a Ghost Immobiliser on this new BMW 3 Series 2019. Let me show you how it works. Let's just get in the vehicle. Okay, so it's push button start. Just got the push button there. There's the keys. Let me try to attempt to start the vehicle. Foot on the brake and try to start the car. Okay, won't start, just shuts off because the Ghost is blocking it from starting. So this is how you would start your vehicle. We've set up a demonstration code for demo purposes. Your dash lights on, -4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for the indicators to flash. There's your 2 flashes. Foot on the brake and start the car. Okay, and you're ready to drive. If you're interested in getting this done, give us a call on 0208 554 554. Thanks for watching.